In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a configurable list widget with Jotform, something you can complete in just a few minutes. Setting up this widget will allow you to collect more structured and dynamic data from your form users without the hassle of building everything from scratch. So let's dive in and make the most of Jotform's tools. To get started, the first step is visiting jotform.com. Once there, make sure you sign in with your credentials. If you haven't used Jotform before, you'll need to set up an account, but for existing users, simply log in with your email and password. Once you're in, navigate over to My Forms, which is where you'll see a collection of all the forms you've previously created or saved. It's a good organizational strategy to have your forms easily accessible in this section, so everything you need is just a click away. Choose the particular Jotform you'd like to modify by clicking on it. This will open up that form in the form builder where you can make any desired changes or updates. So go ahead and click on it to enter the customization environment. Now that you're in the form builder, it's time to add the configurable list widget. Look towards the upper left corner and there you'll find the option labeled Add Element. This feature is basically the doorway to many of Jotform's capabilities, including the widget we are focusing on today. When you click Add Element, you'll see a new panel of options. Here, go straight to the Widgets tab, which is right at the top. Widgets are great because they expand the functionality of your forms beyond the default fields, and they can be easily added or removed as per your needs. Next, to find the configurable list widget, use the search bar and simply type in configurable list. Once it pops up, click on it to add it to your form. This widget will allow you to present your users with a list that can dynamically expand or contract based on the information they wish to provide, serving versatile use cases like item lists, detail collections, or multi-entry applications. After the widget is added, direct your attention to the widget settings panel, which appears usually on the right side. Here you can customize the fields within your configurable list. Use these settings to define the type of information you need to collect, like text fields, drop-down menus, checkboxes, and more. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a configurable list widget to your Jotform. Feel free to get creative with the widget settings to tailor the form exactly to your requirements and ensure a seamless experience for your form users. Thanks for following along and happy form building.